back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today we are in my Jeep. What's poppin'? I don't know if I've ever really filmed a video in my car before, but this is so exciting. I just got a package in the mail from my friends over at cate-mate. So I'm gonna be doing like the most essential iPhone accessories, okay? For those of you dolls that know, you know that your girl has been rocking with the iPhone XS Max in the space gray for a very long time now. Love this phone. I have many videos on this device. Let's get into this unboxing because I am so excited to see what fun stuff we have inside. They make premium iPhone cases, fun designs for all different types of phones. So definitely take the time to head over there and browse because you're gonna be stuck wanting to get everything on the website. Your girl ordered a couple of iPhone cases. These are so beautiful. This one is the Brilliance case and it's for the iPhone XS Max. It's made with real crystals. That is me as a person. So I was like, what? Like, we need to figure out if this is like legit or what. So they're premium iPhone cases. They're made to make sure that your phone is protected. I think that the designs are incredible. This is actually textured when I run my finger over it. I didn't know what to expect. And then it has a rubber grip, like a lip that runs all the way around the face of the iPhone. And it says cate-mate in the inside with their logo here on the bottom. So let's see what this looks like on the iPhone. She a little thick too. Where can you find cases like this? Nowhere. This is beautiful, fits my phone like a glove. The lip on it, oh my god, I love that it's clear. And I like that this is like a metallic rose gold finish. I honestly did not know what to expect when I saw this case online, but 10 out of 10. Can already tell you I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so let's see what else we got because we have lots of goodies to go through. I also got this other case. I'm all about the neon everything, so naturally I was like, what, a neon phone case? We need to try that out. So I know that this one comes in a different colorway as well, and of course this is made for the XS Max. If you don't have that phone style, definitely check on the website because they have tons of other models. So this is a 10-foot drop protection. It's the tough clear case, and I definitely want to try this on the phone to see how it looks. This for summertime, here for that. Let's see how this comes off. Sometimes these sturdy cases take a little bit of elbow grease to get off. And let's see what she looks like. She's like a thick plastic, but she's kind of bendy. So if I dropped this, God forbid, it definitely would absorb the shock. Ooh, I love this. Okay, so this is multicolor. So the outside of the case is pink, neon, and then the back is green. And again, I have the space gray, so that's what it looks like. And again, you have the lip, so if you dropped it face down, it's gonna be protected. I love this. This case is a lot more slender than this case, just so you know. So if you don't want anything bulky, definitely reach for this style. This is the cate-mate car charm. They come in different designs. I chose to go with the white marble with the gold rim. And it's a magnetic plate that you put into your vent in your car. Now, I drive a Jeep, so we're gonna see how we can finesse this into our vents because Jeeps are special vehicles, okay? Like, we're gonna see if this thing works. So I'm gonna set this up in a second, but I also wanted to show you that I also ordered this stand-up detachable phone stand. It's basically like a suction cup, but it's a balloon animal. So that way, if I wanted to prop my phone up to watch TV shows, I could definitely do that. If I wanted to go live or something on Instagram, I don't have to try to plop up my phone against a wall or something that's not so stable. So this came in different color options as well, and I just went with the rose gold color. So I'm really excited to see how this works and to also put this bad boy to the test. I'm so excited about this one. Is a power pad because sometimes we don't need to be reaching for our chargers. We just want something that's wireless. So this is a wireless power pad charger with the stand. So I'm thinking this would be great to put on my desk or to put on my bedside table at nighttime. So I'll show you guys the packaging. So here's the pad. Make sure your device is able to be charged wirelessly. Obviously it's not plugged in, but you can just plop your phone on top of the pad and it will do all the charging for you. And then here is the stand as well. So I love it. I love that it's white. It's definitely not gonna stick out like a sore thumb. So I'm excited to use this and to have a different way to charge my phone. So I've got my charging pad plugged up right now. I have it next to my bed. Oh, look at that. See, I love the fact that I don't have to take off my iPhone case in order to charge my device. This does have fast charging capabilities, and it also works with Android devices along with Apple devices as well. It also came with the stand. So let's put this back there like that. And then boom. Isn't this amazing? If you need anything from this haul, you need to get this, because this is about to change my entire life, especially being the fact that it charges super fast. I'm gonna take it back to this little car mount, car charm, and hook it up in the Jeep and see how well this works. Because then I can take my own selfies. Oh my God, that's a game changer. Taking your own selfies with self-timer with this. So here we go, we got 2 pieces to this. The first is the magnetic bit that goes into our vents. And then the other half of this is a 3M taped side. So you will stick this on the back of your phone case or directly on your phone if that's what you want to do. And that's gonna be what sticks to the mount. I don't know if I wanna stick it on this case though, that's the thing. But this is a heavy duty magnet, I can already tell you. So we've got the vents here, and this tells me right here now that it says for use for thin vents, and then this side is for thicker vents. I'm gonna say that we have thick vents because we drive a Jeep. So that is going to be the mount for the air vent. The other half of this with the 3M side on my phone. So that is gonna keep it secured, but I don't know if I want to put it on this case or not. I have another case at home which I think would be better used for this, but if you're using your maps or something, maybe you have navigation going, this would be a perfect place to place that in your vehicle. If you want to go live on Instagram or something, definitely utilize it hands-free. And it's also really good too if you just want to call people and FaceTime them, I don't know, on your way home in LA traffic. So that is the mount. Of course you can put it over here on this vent if you want it to be a little bit higher up. Let's say if you want to run your navigation, whatever really floats the style of your car. Every car is going to be different. But I thought this would be so fun to keep in the Jeep because I don't have anything like this to mount my phone. I usually will just set my phone here with my maps, and it's a little difficult to see every turn in every direction when half of it is being covered by the actual dashboard. So this is definitely going to be a huge game changer for me. I've just stuck on the magnetic bit to the back of my iPhone. Look at that. Now I can drive and see my maps and my navigation without having to prop it up in the dashboard. So here's my little balloon dog. How freaking cute. So it comes with a little suction cup, aka no commitment. So I've got my iPhone XS Max here. I'm just gonna place it probably in the dead center. It's so funny because like its butt is suctioning itself. Ooh, it's on there to the back of my phone, and that's gonna be our little stand. Ooh. She's just ready for me to use my phone hands-free. It's the cutest little thing I've ever seen, and it's so affordable too. And you can get them in different colors. I hope you dolls enjoyed this fun little accessory haul for my iPhone XS Max. If you guys did, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Of course, check out cate-mate in the description box below, and big thanks to them for collaborating with me on today's video. I was so excited to unbox everything and put these items to the test to see how well they work. This man is just walking down the street carrying a stop sign. Only in LA. Only in LA. Y'all about to see him in 3, 2, 1. What? So until next time, I'll catch you dolls in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell next to it so you guys never miss a post. Bye!